Hi guys, we're at Blakedown crossing Worcestershire. Now the time is 14:01 on Monday the 15th of February 2016, and this is for our 1406 0 X-ray 66 from Newport Docks to Doncaster Robert Road's shed. What's it there? Newport Docks to Doncaster Robert, whatever that is, there, shed. And maybe for our 2 kilo 33, 1406, does have been searched from Whitlock Centre, Kidderminster. Shed. I wonder what we've got on this unit, on this freight. Focus. Here she is. Got 66 to come in. 66 708. 66 777 66 776 66 778 66 774 66 773 66 775 to Doncaster. There she goes over there. What a load of those. Oh, up we go.